drunken crash, an 11-year-old Spokane boy killed, and a driver who told police he had at least 12 shots of alcohol that night.
But at least 2 of the bars he was at won't share any of the blame. And good evening. KXLY4 has obtained blood alcohol numbers on a suspected drunk driver who may be responsible for killing an 11-year-old Spokane boy.
William Kaiser faces a vehicular homicide charge in connection with the fatal collision just a few days before Christmas. Wyatt Harris's skull was crushed and the boy died at the scene at Trenton Mission. That's where KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey is live tonight with why the Taverns don't bear responsibility. Jeff?
Well, Robin, you'll remember that William Kaiser was very upfront with the police officers who were called to this intersection the night of the fatal collision. He told them that he had at least 12 shots of alcohol that night, and his own drunk driving claims prompted the Washington State Liquor Control Board to launch an overserving investigation. 11-year-old Wyatt Harris's grandfather was the first person to ask for the Liquor Control Board's help if Kaiser's statements about bar hopping that night were true, with the Taverns overserving a man who was obviously drunk.
We try to interview bartenders, licensees, people that are involved in the crash and the collision. So we try to get as much information from as many people as we can.
In this case, Kaiser told police he had been drinking at the Little Bigfoot Tavern here on East Mission, about a mile and a half from the fatal crash. However, a check of the bar's surveillance video shows Kaiser was only drinking here for about 45 minutes and not showing signs of being drunk.
There were some surveillance videos that were available that we were able to view. They were pretty inconclusive as far as any signs of intoxication that the individual was showing at that particular point in time.
Liquor control agents also investigated the Special K Tavern in Hilliard, but Kaiser's credit card transactions here show his last purchase happened several hours before the fatal crash.
There was about a 4-hour time gap between when he left the last alleged location and the time of the collision.
So now liquor control agents have cleared both the Special K and Little Bigfoot Tavern of overserving in this case, where Kaiser drank enough to have a blood alcohol level of 0.23, nearly triple the legal limit, remains under investigation. Reporting in East Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.